This is a tutorial on Yellow Submarine, this time as a piano accompanist. Very easy. You start with your D chord there. And it's in a town where I was. There's a D chord, D, F sharp, and A. Where I was. I is a C chord, C, E, G. I was born. There's a G chord, D, B, D, and G. Lived, E minor, B, E, G. Lived a man. There's an A minor, C, E, and A. So you're on E minor like that, A minor. Who sailed, C, C, E, G. The C, and there's a D chord, and that repeats itself. And then on the chorus, it's just very simple. It's just G chord like this, D, G, B, and then down to D, and back and forth. We all live in a yellow submarine. So it's just G and D through the whole chorus. We all live in a yellow submarine, yellow submarine, yellow submarine. We all live in a yellow submarine, yellow submarine, yellow submarine. And then all you have to do is add the root note down low. So when you're playing D here, it's a D down low. When you're on a C, it's a C down low. G chord, you're on a G down low. E minor, you're on an E down low. A minor, on A, so on. And this is what it sounds like when you're all done. In the town where I was born, lived a man who sailed to sea, and he told us